Well, Dad, I broke it. I used my screw on this piece here, and I pried, and I might have bent right there. Can you see that? And then I've got this detached like this. Now I want you to look real close here at what's in the cracks. I can't. This is hard to do with one hand. But anyways, let me see. I'm gonna hold the phone with my mouth, maybe. That's not working. Okay. Well, anyways, so I think right here is where I broke it. And then in there, it's lined up, but I can't get it out. At this point, maybe I should just take it to the shop.